You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce it in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Many more for you at the end of this video. Let's break it down. Reputation. British English and American English pronunciations, US or UK, are pretty straightforward and similar. Reputation. Pew, not poo, pew, tation. The stress is on the third syllable, the te syllable. Listen carefully how to pronounce. Reputation. Remember this one? Reputation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.